Hey guys, thanks for stopping by here, thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and let's get into some charts. All right, so oil here. Oil, all right? This is something we've been watching here for quite some time, and it finally broke this major trend line, okay? If you've been following along for the last year, okay, for the last year, all right, we've called for several bounces. And it's worked out many times before. Many times before. I'm going to show you this trend line right here. And this trend line has been a beauty for us. All right, it's been a beauty for us for a year. Okay, over a year, about a year and a half. All right, a year and a half. We've called for bounces against here. We called for this breakout once we broke over this trend line. We've been calling for higher prices on oil for a long time. Okay, Now, from a longer-term perspective, we're looking at now potentially lower prices for oil, okay, in a longer-term basis, all right? I'm going to go over some specific near-term levels. I think we could potentially bounce in the near term, but to me, that's a shorting opportunity, okay? So, what we have here, we have a major break of this trend line, okay? That in and of itself is a big deal. Okay, the other thing too is now we're making lower lows. Okay, do you see this low right here? We headed lower right there. Here was that low, and then look right now, we broke that low. Okay, we actually closed, and this is the weekly chart. Okay, the weekly chart. So last week we actually closed below this low. Okay, so that in and of itself is a trend change. If you notice here, we never did that. On the way up, we never did that. Okay, now we did that. We also closed below the 50 period, the 50-week moving average as well. Okay, so that's another thing. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Actually, really quick, before I zoom in, I want to show you this support. So the support is where we're at right now. Okay, it's based off of this low right there. You can see that low right here, as well as it was previous resistance many times before. So that is below where we're at. Okay, it's if you're looking at USO, it's right around 13 bucks. Okay, 13 bucks. We're at 13.30 right now. Okay, so it's just below us. So there's that. Right, that is the near-term support that could get a short-term bounce. All right. Now I want to kind of zoom in a little bit and show you the more recent action. So here's the more recent action. And I'm going to move my face out of the way. So what we have here is if we get a bounce, to me, this level up here, anywhere above $14, between about $14 and $14.70, I know that's kind of a big range, but anywhere between those levels, between there and here, to me is a good shorting opportunity. So if we head up to 14 bucks, good shorting opportunity. That's where that trend line is, okay? The trend line is right around up here, okay? Right around there. So if we head higher, up near $14, okay, that will be a good shorting opportunity. Not only is that trend line going to be there, but we also have this previous support here for about 5 days in a row before we broke it right there and then headed lower. So again, that is the level that you want to be paying attention to, 14 to 14.70. I think the trend is broken here for oil. Again, you haven't heard me say that for over a year and a half now. Okay, and I'm finally saying that, okay? And you should listen up, because I've been saying that oil has been heading higher, or is going to head higher, for a year and a half. And that paid off beautifully, okay? If you were looking at USO, we've been calling for higher prices since $8 on USO. And it hit over $16. That's a double. Okay, that's 100% on USO. So now the trend is broken. Okay, got to pay attention to that $14 range. I think it's a good short. I think oil is going to head lower from here, and that's my analysis on oil. And I hope that video helps you out so much. Okay, I make these videos to help you grow as a trader and learn some specific levels to help you make money. Okay, that's why I do these videos. But it brings me to my next point, okay? Because there's a crisis right now in the market, okay? A crisis. Investors and traders are overwhelmed with, a lot of data and too many useless indicators and overcomplicated strategies. They don't really know where to go, okay? There's an information overload, okay? It's good for the data providers and the brokerages, but is it good for you? Is it good for you? Think about it, okay? And the other thing is, there's too many options for trading services. Back when I started many years ago, there was only a handful of us, okay? Only a handful of us. Right now, there's so many fake gurus and people trying to mislead people that it's really hard to find a good service out there, people you can rely on and trust, all right? And I understand that. I understand your perspective. And this is a difficult time to be a trader, okay? Because most traders have no idea how to profit in a choppy sideways market or a down market, okay? Plain and simple, okay? You hear about all these Uber drivers making money when the market's blasting off, but you want to know what happens? Is they lose all of that on any kind of a market downturn, okay? If that sounds familiar, it probably does sound familiar because 90% of traders fail, okay? And they fail because they don't know how to navigate markets when they're not going up forever, okay? And plain and simple, they don't, okay? You're seeing that right now in the market, that you need to be tactical and you actually need to have strategies, all right? So that's what you need to understand. The next thing here is I want you to ask yourself 3 questions, okay? 3 questions. Number 1, are you making the kind of money in the market that you know is possible? Think about it. Are you leaving money on the table when it comes to your trades? Okay, number 2, are you working with a proven mentor who cares about your success and who's helping you achieve your goals of becoming consistently profitable in the market and who knows how to navigate both up and down markets? It's very important. Ask yourself that question. Number 3, do you miss trades because you lack either the confidence or the knowledge or both? All right, really think about those questions. Only you know the answers to those questions. All right, so now that you've answered those questions, I want to show you some recent trades that I've taken and that I've alerted to all of my paying clients via text message in real time. Okay, this strategy here is something that I don't share with the public. It's only for members. But again, all these trades that I'm about to show you are using the same exact strategy, so you know that this stuff works, and we do this stuff on a consistent basis. So we have a process, we have a system that we stick to day in and day out. Here's Facebook. This is a 179% gain in just 2 days, over a $2,000 gain for me personally. That trade was sent in real time, alerted to all of my members in real time via text message. 329% in 3 weeks. This is Chipotle. We bought down there at the blue circle, sold up there at the blue arrow for over a $1,000 gain for me personally. All of my members are getting that alert as well via text message. Here's another one on AT&T, 137% winner, 2.5 weeks. Okay, almost $2,000 gain for me personally. All of my members are getting that trade as well. Here's another one, TLT, and again, all of these are the same exact strategy. We're using a consistent strategy. This is one of the strategies. We don't use only this strategy, but this is one of the strategies that we use. Almost 300% gain in just 6 days. In just 6 days. Okay, for me personally, that was over a $3,000 gain. All of my members are getting this trade in real time. All right, so wouldn't you like to be making these kinds of trades, right, on a consistent basis, not just one a day or one a week, something like that? No, we do this day in and day out consistently, okay, because now you can. Now you can. Okay, with these easy to follow real-time trade alerts, these are always pre-researched by me, okay, and they're both buy and sell alerts sent via text message. Anytime I'm buying something, I'm sending you a buy alert. Anytime I'm selling something, I'm sending you a sell alert, okay? And these are with exact entry and exit prices, so you know exactly what to do and when to do it, okay? No more guessing, no more guesswork, all right? And this works in both up and down markets, all right? All the trades that I showed you were for some recent trades we had when the market was bouncing, but they work in both directions, okay? We trade a lot of downside moves as well as upside moves We don't care which direction the market heads in. All we care about is profiting along the way, and we do that consistently day in and day out. Here's another one. You can start making money in the market right now. Not 6 months from now, not a year from now after you finish a bunch of courses or education or anything like that. But you can make money right now, and that's because you're using a proven system. Okay, something that myself and my clients have been using for almost a decade now. All right, and all you have to do is come in. It's already working. It's going to work whether you come in or not, and that's the beauty of having a proven system. All right, and this is going to save you time, because if you're like most people, you're looking at a bunch of charts, doing a bunch of analysis, reading blog posts, watching CNBC, following bad people on Twitter, making bad trades, and it's not producing the results that you want. Okay, at the end of the day, it's probably losing you money. So if it's not giving you results, then it's a waste of time. So you're not going to have to do that anymore, because you can rely on our analysis and our process and our system, so you don't have to do it. All right, so it's going to save you time and make you money at the same exact time. And it's going to allow you to trade from anywhere. All you need is a cell phone to make this work for you. And you have a cell phone, right? Okay, good. So now that you have a cell phone, we've confirmed that. All you need is a cell phone, and you're going to have success within the membership. You're going to be able to participate in these trades. You can trade from home, trade from the office, trade on the go, trade at school. All you need is access to your phone, and you're going to make this work for you. So the goals here are about 8 to 10 winning trades per month. Again, sometimes we make less than 8 winning trades. Sometimes we make more than 10 winning trades per month. Kind of just depends on the opportunities that we're seeing. Again, if we're not seeing a lot of opportunities, we pull it back. We don't trade as much, okay? If we see a lot of opportunities, we push it, all right? That's what it's about, okay? And that's how you gain consistent returns, is not by trading every day just because the market's open, but by making calculated trades with good, sound money management, and that's what we do here. We focus on quality, not on quantity. And the goals here for the returns per trade are 100% to 500% returns per trade. We trade mostly options. We trade options well. So that's how we're able to achieve returns like this on a consistent basis. The next goal here is $100,000 in annual returns for each and every one of our members. Many of our members who stick around for over a year are hitting that number consistently. And this program has everything you need to be successful, okay? I'm going to move my face out of the way just a little bit. And we don't just have these alerts. The alerts are going to be very key for your success. You can watch and learn and grow from a proven and successful trader. But you have everything else. You have the education, okay? You've got the Options Accelerator course, the extensive educational video library, the Millionaire Trader videos, the professional trading watch list. You can ask me anything at any time. I'm there for you virtually 24/7 via text and email, helping you along the way. Okay, you also have access to our private mastermind community, which you're going to have access to not only me, but other successful traders. And best of all, you have the potential to make the biggest profits of your life. All right, I know that sounds like a big promise, but it's true. All right, we have a proven process, a proven system. This isn't like anything else that's out there. Okay, before I did this, I sold insurance, and there was a cap to how much money you could make. And that's the same with, I'm sure, whatever job you're at right now has a cap. There's a salary cap. There's a boss you have to suck up to. There's a corporate ladder you have to climb. And that's fine. That's fine. But there are limits to it. But the beautiful thing here is that there's no limit to how much money you can make in the market. As your account grows, you can scale up and trade bigger and make bigger profits along the way. All right? So what I want you to do right now is say goodbye. Say goodbye to wasting hours of your time, to looking over a bunch of charts, reading a bunch of news articles, watching CNBC, only for it to produce 0 to poor results. Say goodbye to stressing about finding a strategy that you can count on for consistent results in both up and down markets. Say goodbye to guessing and gambling when it comes to finding winning trades. And say goodbye to wondering what it's like to be consistently profitable in the market, because now you're going to have the tools to do it. So here's a few examples of people who became members recently after watching videos just like you're on right now. Here's Ryan, and I'm just going to kind of summarize here, not read it all. Ryan made almost $7,000 in just a few weeks. All right. Here's another one, Ron. He made over $8,000 in just a month. In just a month of being a member, he made $8,000 in his first month. Here's Kevin, a little backstory on Kevin. He had never traded before with any real money. He does some paper trading, but never for any real money. And on his first day of trading real money, he made $2,000. $2,000, just over $2,000 on his very first day. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that this is going to happen for you, okay? But I'm showing you what's possible. This is what's possible when you have a proven process and a mentor who's going to show you how to do it, all right? And I care about your success. I want this for you. I want what Kevin and Ryan and Ron did. I want it for you. And I have all the tools for you, okay? I have everything that you need to be successful in the market, and I'm just waiting here, ready for you to come and receive it, all right? I want to give it to you. I want to give you that success. I want to give you that key, all right? So here's what you need to do right now. Click the Join tab at the top of the website. You can choose your membership level, okay? You can log into the members area after you do that and watch the welcome video that I've made especially for you. Then you can get started with all the training material at any time you like, and then you can get ready for the trade alerts. As soon as the market opens, we're going to be starting those trade alerts. We've got shorter term trades, we've got swing trades, everything in between that's going to work for you no matter what. So don't wait another second to sign up, guys. And if you scroll down below this video, you're going to see that we actually have a special limited time offer right now. It's a huge discount for the annual membership. Normally it's $8.97. If you visit the home page of the website, you're going to see that it's listed there for $8.97. Right now, for a limited time only, if you sign up today, okay, if you sign up today, you're going to get the annual membership for just $6.99, okay? If you look on the website, our monthly rate is almost $200, all right? Almost $200. Our annual is listed at almost $900, and right here you can get the annual for $6.99. That is a huge, huge discount. Again, you don't have to take this discount. You could do the monthly or the quarterly if you want a lower upfront fee, but this is the most discounted offer that we have and that we've ever had. And that's the $6.99 for the annual membership. Click that button, add to cart at 85% off, and it's going to take you to the 100% secure checkout page. All you have to do is enter in your name, your email, which is going to be your username, choose a password, enter in your phone number. Make sure this is a phone number that you receive text messages on, because that's how you receive the buy and sell alerts. Then just scroll down further and enter in your billing information, and then all you have to do is click here, agree to terms of service, check that box, then submit order, or you can check out with PayPal, totally up to you, and then you're going to get instant access to everything we talked about today. Most importantly, you're getting those real-time trade alerts that's going to allow you to start making money in the market right now because you're using our proven process and proven system. So I'm excited to see you in there. I'm excited to help you and help you grow your account on a consistent basis and help you become a better trader in the process. Look forward to seeing you in there. I'll catch you in there.